Yung mga bank accounts po, that is part of the evidence presented by the complainant, no? And yung time to make a request for the bank records to be exposed, nasa Justice Committee po yan. Kasi yan, bahagi na po yan ng pagtingin natin if there is probable cause. No, I'm not a lawyer. Hindi po ako lawyer.
Opo.
Pero sa pagkakaintindi ko sa trabaho namin, bahagi po ng aming trabaho is to determine probable cause. So, the attachment, meaning the evidence being presented, dapat hindi lang yung piece of paper na nagsasaad na ito yung aming mga ebidensya. Dapat may makikita tayo na pag sinabi doon na bank account, dapat meron din itong equivalent na document na makikita natin to see na totoo itong mga ina-attach na proof.
Ma'am, panghuli na lamang po on my part, baka kasi may tanong pa si Chiki. Tingin niyo po ba lulusot sa Congress itong impeachment ni VP Sara despite her declaration for presidency?
I cannot speak for everybody in Congress, ma'am. But I think for someone na tinitignan din talaga nila yung weight, no, of the matter, kaya nga ini-encourage sa mga congressmen during the session, during the hearing, the committee hearing for the impeachment, they were encouraged to join, to attend, to dissent, para naman nakikita nila at the stand they will be making is something na talagang pinapaniwalaan nila. Alam nila at convinced sila. So, I cannot speak for everybody. I can only speak for myself. Siguro, let's leave that to them and they themselves will make that decision. Sa tingin ko naman po, marami naman po dyan na talagang nagdi-decide based on the merit of the hindi yung kung ano at hindi yung maghihintay at sasabay lang sa saan ka dadalhin ng hangin. Marami diyan talagang marunong talagang mag-decision.